Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about the Apple Pencil second generation. So let's get started. The release of the Apple Pencil 2 in November 2018 was widely praised for addressing key issues found in its predecessor, the Apple Pencil 1. It resolved concerns such as the removable tip, which was prone to being lost, and the cumbersome charging method. Additionally, the Apple Pencil 2 featured a matte finish unlike the glossy appearance of the original, and its design incorporated a single flat edge to prevent it from rolling away easily. The Apple Pencil 2 offers a comfortable grip and is available exclusively in white. When purchased directly from Apple, customers have the option to pay for engraving. With its single flat edge, the Apple Pencil 2 avoids rolling off surfaces, a common issue with the Apple Pencil 1. Furthermore, it boasts durability as evidenced by its ability to withstand multiple drops without any noticeable damage. Unlike its predecessor and the USB-C, both of which charge through a port located at the end of the pencil housing, the Apple Pencil 2 features a smooth design that extends to the end with no visible charging port. Unlike the Apple Pencil 1, the Apple Pencil 2 does not include a replacement tip. However, in any experience using it for several years, you won't need a replacement tip. Nevertheless, if you do require one, replacement tips are easily accessible for purchase as well. So that's it. If you found this video informative, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.